Good morning and welcome back to our online class. So in the previous class I had given you all the question answers, short answers, long answers, everything. So today we are going to do one worksheet. See here in your page number 57 we have one worksheet, right? There is one crossword, okay, above and down, and few questions are written here. We have to find the answers of this crossword, right children? Okay. So first of all, your class 3 science. Today's date 01/09/2020. Right? Okay. This is your same chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, animals. Common insect. Right? Animals, common insect. So today we are going to do the cross sheet, which is in your page number 57. Just go through that page, okay? Page number 57. There is one crossword. Complete the crossword with the help of the clues given below. The question is complete the crossword, okay? Complete the crossword, okay. Now, see, there are some different boxes in here over here, right? Let us make this box so that we can read the questions and then solve our answer, right children? Okay. First of all, the box is like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let us not make the crossword. Just read the question and then do our answer. Right? Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1 says that a social insect. Number 2. The insect suck the nectar of the flower. Nectar of the flower. Right? Question number 3. An insect with beautiful wings. An insect with beautiful wings. Right? Question number 4. Insect breeding stagnant water container. Okay. This insect breeds in stagnant water. Stagnant water collected in small containers. Alright, next, number 5. The home of honeybee. The home of honey bee. Last question number 6. A disease that may be caused by mosquito bite. Right? Now, this is your question. Now, let us see this. Question number 1. What is it? A social insect. Now, where we see 1? See here. Search where we can see 1. 1 is here. A dash dash. So, we know the social insects. Social insect means what? Those insects which are seen in the groups or in colonies. And we know there are three different kinds of insects which are also called as social insect. They are: number 1, ant; number 2, honeybee; number 3, wasps. So only 3 boxes are there. So what we can do, we can write there ant. Yes or no? You can write here ant. A-N-T, ant. So number 1 answer will be what? A-N-T, ant. Right? Okay. Next, question number 2. See there. The insect sucked the nectar of the flower. Which insect sucked the nectar of the flower? Which insects are seen near the flowers or near the garden? Which insect? Now let us see question number 2, right? So question number 2 here. H dash 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 B dash dash. Now we know that honeybee, they suck the nectars from the flowers. So Honey, honey, Bee. So what is our answer over here? What it should be? It should be honey bee. Right, children? What will be our answer over here? Honey bee. So number 2 will be Honey, honey, bee, double E, honey bee. Right? Honey bee. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 3. An insect with the beautiful wings. Beautiful wings. Which insect has the beautiful wings on their body? We know that a butterfly. Right? You remember this, yes or no, children? The beautiful insect which gives creative nature, that is what? Butterfly. So see question number 3 here. B. Right? Did you see question number 3 here? B dash 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 dash. Let us see whether it is butterfly or not. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Yes, it is butterfly. Understood? How we have to know? By looking at the boxes, put the alphabets there. If it is correct, then yes, it is butterfly. Because we know that beautiful insect is what? Butterfly. Okay. So question number 3 will be what? Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. Right? Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 4. This insect breeds in stagnant water collected in small containers. Now what do you mean by this? This means that this insect, what? They breeds in the stagnant water. They are staying there, they lay the eggs, they give birth to their babies. Okay. Now these insects breeds in the stagnant water collected in small containers. Those waters which are left in the small containers, this insect, they breeds their babies. Right? They lay the eggs and the babies are born. So which insect is there? See, now let us see question number 4. Where is question number 4? Here. Question number 4 here. See, starting with the letter M. Now it is an insect, okay, which breeds in the stagnant water collected in the small containers. We know it is mosquito, right? Let us count. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Yes, it is also correct. So question number 4 answer, what it should be? It should be mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Right? M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Right, children? Okay, now next question number 5. The home of the honeybee. Do you remember what was the home of honeybee? Yes. What the name of the house of the honeybee where they stay? What it is called? Now let us see question number 5 here. Question number 5 is here. Starting with the B, honeybee, B dash 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 dash. And we know that I'll show you one picture over here what is this picture? This picture is the home of the honeybee. Yes or no? What is it known as? Bee hive. So what is the home of honey bee? So it should be bee hive. Yes or no, children? So now let us see the box and check whether it will be bee hive or not. Okay. Now B E E B H I V E hive, bee hive. So it is also correct. So question number 5, the home of the honeybee is what? Bee hive. B double E B H I V E hive. Bee hive. Right? Right, children? Now, last question, question number 6 says that a disease that may be caused by the mosquito bite. What are the diseases that we know that it is caused by the mosquito bite? Number 1 that comes to our head, that is what? Your malaria. Now, see over here, point number 6, M, starting with letter M. A disease which is caused by mosquito is what? Malaria. Now check. M-A-L-A-R-I-A. Yes, it is also correct. So, by this, we completed all this crossword, right? So, let us write this question number 6 answer. A disease that may be caused by mosquito bite. What is it? Malaria. M-A-L-A-R-I-A. Malaria. Right, children? So, these are the names of the insects that we have gone through all this chapter. Right? So, on the base of these names of this common insect, we got some few questions to understand. Right? Like point number 1, name a social insect, ant. Right? Point number 2, the insect suck the nectar of the flower. Which insect sucks the nectar of the flower? It is the honey bee. Next, an insect with the beautiful wings. Which insect has the beautiful wings? That is the butterfly. Right? Next, question number 4. This insect breeds in the stagnant water collected in small containers. What is it? It is a mosquito. Yes or no? We see usually these mosquitoes on these stagnant waters where they are seen breeding their babies. So what is it? Mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Next, question number 5. The home of honeybee. We know that home of honeybee is what? Bee hive. B-E-E-B-H-I-V-E hive. Bee hive. Right? Question number 6. A disease that may be caused by mosquito bite. Now when this mosquito bite, we get a dangerous disease named as malaria. M-A-L-A-R-I-A, malaria, which even cause death to our body. Right? So by this, now we completed this chapter number 4 completely. Right? So in the next class, we will start with a new chapter, that is what? Plants in the surrounding. Right, children? So till then, complete your notes, complete your work, and then let us start our new chapter in the next class. Thank you.